The quickest way to email all of your students is by posting in the announcements forum in your Moodle course. Even if your Moodle course is empty, every single course in the course catalog has an empty Moodle space that contains an announcements forum. To send a message to all of your students, click on the announcements link. Click Add a new topic. Similar to writing an email, you'll give them the subject, and then type in your email message. When you've finished your message, click the Post to Forum button. Once you've posted it, you have 15 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes. After that 15-minute window, your announcement will be emailed via OU email to everyone enrolled in the course. Editing the message is simple. Simply click on the discussion and then click the edit link in the lower right-hand corner to edit your message. Once you've finished editing your message, you can click Save Changes and your post will be updated. It's also important to note that only faculty can post to the announcements. Students cannot reply or post to the announcements forum. Think of it as a one-way street from you to all of your students.